Good morning. I know. Just one of them days. We're gonna be leaving here soon. Hopefully somebody comes to buy the fridge. Hubby has somebody coming, and then we're gonna go to the office, and then we gotta do a bunch of stuff today. I want to go to IKEA and go find a bedding set for this bed, because I've just been using, you know, the throw and stuff. So we'll see if we find it. Okay. Anyways, okay, so they're making a new freeway. That's all new construction. And check this out. It's like Speed. Do you remember Speed, honey, when they were making that movie? It was live though. That was really
in LA?
Yeah. Like look at that. It just ends. How scary is that? But isn't it crazy how they build freeways? Like, what? I don't know, I'm just amazed. It's crazy. Architecture and how everything has to be like, certain buoyancy has to be on concrete. What? Anyways, that's pretty cool though. And then it's gonna connect right here. Okay, we are leaving IKEA.
See?
And we got stuff. Anyways, it was crazy in there, but we got, you know, a lot of things that we need to replace after we discarded, and it was good. And I will definitely share a haul. Whew. Did it. We're taking a detour to the lot market. Well, okay. Anyways, we're gonna try to go look for those. We've been wanting to try the spicy noodles, and hubby wants to try it too. And he's like, let's just go right now. So we made it. And we come into the lot market, but I'll show you later. I don't want to judge, but this looks like hoarder status. Look at this car. Oh my God, how can you see? Oh my God, there's a person in there. How can she see? Well, that was a fail. That was a Vietnamese market. But not a fail completely, because we found pots, like frying pans that we were looking for. Got some pucky with the chocolate. I usually get these from Daiso, and they're only 59 cents here. You have no idea what a pocky or pokey or pocky stick is. It's just like one of these sticks. What do they call it? Biscuit stick. Coated with chocolatey. The whole box is only 220 calories. So good. Anyways, they told us to go to another. So we found another spicy noodle, but they're like, that's not the same one. Okay, so really quick, we found the thing, right? Well, hubby found this guy who's working there, and he showed him the thing, you know, on the video, and the guy's like, oh, no, we don't have it for sure. He knew exactly what it was, because I guess they keep running out. So then he's like, wait, and my hubby's like, you don't have any, can you please go check? He's like, okay, hold on, let me see, I might have one. I don't know, what did you say, upstairs office? Yeah. So he goes to some upstairs office and gets one pack, the exact pack that we need. And my husband's like, yes, that's it. So he brings it, and it is the same exact thing. So he gets one pack. And so we're like, okay, yep, that's it. So he's like, but that's it. My husband's like, okay, we'll just share it. I'm like, oh, but the challenge is we need to have our own, you know? So anyways, the guy's like, well, he was just concerned for the price. So look at this. We found a 6-pack. The cups, same one, exactly the same thing. So we're excited, and we're both gonna be able to do the challenge. I don't know if the hubby's gonna want. Are you gonna do the challenge with me or off camera? Off camera. He's gonna do it probably off camera. I'll probably just show his thing, but I'm gonna do the actual challenge. So, all right. See you later. Bye. Hubby picked up these shrimp chips, or shrimp snacks, onion and garlic flavored, made with real shrimp. Okay. Let me taste one.
They're like wafers. Not even shrimpy.
Those are actually really good. Alright. You're saying they're the bomb. So I'm gonna try these. I guess we're gonna do a Korean snacks. There's a chestnut. Hey guys, what's going on? I'm gonna do the challenge that is going around YouTube. It is called the spicy or hot noodle challenge. It's this Korean noodles, and I am gonna go ahead and try it for the first time, and I am so excited. So let me get some water boiling. Okay, so now it says to put this stuff in. Smells good. Okay, see you at the table. Yeah. It's hot though. Like temperature, you know? I have to eat all of this? Yes, without having any water. Okay, are you starting? Are you starting? Mm-hmm. Huh? Oh. Right, here we go. Bon appetito. Whoa. Yo, this is hot.
Pretty good.
It's totally not what I expected.
It's got a kick though.
Mm-hmm. I'm definitely feeling hot. Like I'm definitely already starting to sweat in my T-zone. It's been such a long day and I'm just like hungry and now I'm hot and now I'm... It tastes good though.
Mm-hmm.
It definitely gets hotter as you eat it.
My lips are burning.
This is hot, yo.
Yeah.
I think the temperature is making it hotter.
Are we not allowed to have napkins?
Oh, you can have napkins. You just can't have anything else. Honestly, I thought I was gonna be like, I got this, hands down. It's so spicy. How many minutes do we have, babe? How many minutes do we have? Babe, it's burning, yeah?
13 minutes.
We have 13 more minutes?
Yeah.
How's your tongue feeling? Mine is like really burning, like fire in the hole. Oh, you're almost done? Aww.
See more of it.
You think it's gonna taste sweet? And then it has like this little sweetness and then it's like BAM! Sweetness, BAM! So it's like I don't know what the heck makes it hot.
Yeah, what is it?
I have no idea. I can't stop looking at it. I think I'm gonna be the first failure.
What?
Oh. You're gonna have to help your sister out.
No.
He's helping me out.
No way. No.
Huh? I cannot eat it all. I'm like burning. Feels like I'm getting so hot. So I cannot. No, I gotta keep going here.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, this is not, it's burning my face. Like, literally, my face is burning. Not even my mouth, my face, the pores, like, my face is on fire. Like, I don't know what's happening. I may be having a mild hot flash or something, but what happened? What'd you get? Soda? No can do.
That's crazy.
My face is on fire. Is yours? Huh? Like, what are you feeling? Oh, he's already drinking up a soda. This is really spicy, guys. I think it was too hot, too. Huh? Like, straight from the stove. Oh, man. Like, I'm, like, burning up.
What's in that sauce?
I don't know. It's, like, hot.
Habanero?
Like, the noodles, they feel, like, cool. This is, like, hot. Hot, right? Like, you can't breathe. I'm, like, sweating so much. This is not even right. I mean, definitely, I don't know. This is not right. I mean, it definitely helps when it's cooled down. This is not right. I'm not even enjoying this. This is so hot. And then it lingers. I'm done. I'm sweaty. Can you see the sweat? Look at that. Do you see how much sweat? It's really hot. Did you have fun? I don't know why we did it, but my mouth is on fire. I'm gonna need some strawberries. If you can't eat spicy, don't do it. Mmm.
I'm only gonna have like a little bit.
Mm-mm. Whoa. Oh, and that. All right. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this challenge. I don't know if I would recommend doing it. It is good, but it's hot, so beware. All right, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.